So the prep work for this area is done, and my buddy's Toyota is getting towed here, so we can start the transmission job that we're gonna drop the tranny tonight, or attempt to, and then try to finish it up tomorrow in the evening or something like that. We're gonna try to aim for, but you won't believe what I went through to clean up this area and just move all this shit that was here so that we can fit, like, it's like really just enough room for a car, but it'll be big enough for the Highlander. It's kind of like small in comparison to other Highlanders, or at least ones that I'm familiar with, but parts are already ordered for the Z, and that was macked last Saturday. I wasn't driving, but it's really sad. The drift stick is in though, which is like such a relief because that took over 5 days, but literally it was so much dicking around. The dual caliper setup's good to go. It's just that wheels max, but one seat's in. It's mounted, but not actually just to one bracket, not both, so both need to actually be mounted. And same thing with this side. This side just is taken out and then the other seat put in, but the brackets are already made for this because I ordered brackets for it and it turns out they were the wrong ones, and I tried to do something to get it to fit and couldn't get it, and then my dad just made plates for it, so we're just doing that and slapping the seats on and then welding it to the seat. So it don't matter, but at least it's getting done and progress is being made. But it's just really sad that I didn't get to go drift last Sunday at the event, but there's more coming up, and I'm definitely planning on recording it, so it's not a big deal. But I'm just a little bit sore about it, actually really fucking sore, but it doesn't matter, it's not a big deal. I just really miss driving this car because it's my baby, but so be it. Tow truck should be coming here real soon, and I'll just take it from there because it'll just be moved here, and then I gotta move the Z. At least this spot's all taken care of and done, so we'll get it in here and then move the Z, push it in here, and then put the Z back because this thing needs some work done to it too. But Highlander comes first. Now we're just gonna move it so that Derek can get his shit in here. And then make sure that the tow truck has enough room between my car and like all the other cars out there, and then get Derek's shit in here. It's just gonna take a minute. It's not a big deal, but this car is still macked, so it sucks. But and the front end's not going out, so nobody's gonna see it. Problems. Yeah, I know, it sounds like shit. Oh, look at that nice crack. That's so sad. Oh. She's a beaut. It was. It will be in like a week. It doesn't matter. It's just sad. Damn, look how much space. Alright, now we just gotta wait for the tow truck. Oh yeah, she's gonna go right there. Door just shut on me. But we gotta jump his car to get it back in the corner. Fucking piece of shit. So just for explanation's sake, the air filter taken off, the wiring harness is all taken apart, and there's a bunch of sensors all over the transmission. But so the two cables that go from your oil into your transmission are disconnected, and they're right on there. Both go in right there. They're a bitch to get to, but everything's disconnected. Trying to think of anything else that was a bitch to get apart, but yeah, all the old sensors that were clipped are taken off of this transmission, so everything's pretty much good to go. So just the subframe needs dropped, and then we'll see if anything else down there needs touched. Probably some brackets and other things, but then bell house bolts, and then good to go. Just taking a while. It's starting to get late, so I don't know how much more we're going to do, but it is coming along pretty nicely. So, and it's pretty simple. It's just this bitch is heavy, that's for sure. We have it on an old welding table, but at least it works, you know. I ain't gonna bitch, but it's just gonna take a while. It's weathered.
Weather the fucking storm.
Oh my god. There's like part of it intact, like.
It is the part that do not get rained on. You see the bottom. Let me try blade.
Oh my god.
It was my last dust shield.
Yeah, it was on there just like that. You know, see.
It
for
worked.
protection.
It do job. You see how much dust it catch?
Oh my god, yeah, that's thick.
Ow.
Yeah, it's not like sharp or anything. Engine gotta be supported. Now she ain't moving anywhere.
Don't you ever fucking...
Oh my god, that's covered. Yeah, so she's just chilling on some jack stands. Yeah, but so I should have a headlight, actually 2 headlights, and a fender coming in either tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And everything's set at different times, which is super stupid, but at least that stuff's gonna get taken care of towards the end of the week. So that stuff's just gonna be taken day by day on it, honestly. I'm trying to put my car in before I take off. There she be. Sad car. Oh, it's so sad. Yeah, at least this is mostly prepped for tomorrow.
Well, I need to fucking tear the rest of this off. It's not riding on the back of my road.
Zoom. Zoom. Yeah, so the prep is done, and then we're just gonna come back tomorrow, drop it, put the other one up in it, and then fuck it. It doesn't matter. At least it's getting done. Yeah, one step at a time, and then parts are coming for that. So it really don't matter. It's just gonna take time. I've been saying that, but it's just gonna take time. Yoda.